Then how about the number of 4, 5, 6?
Then this year, everything starts from you. Good communication skill can do more with less work.
Hey, last time we already talked about the yearly number of 1 to 6. What about 7 to 9?
Wait let me check the yearly numbers 7 to 9.
On you master the calculation of this Pythagoras diagram that can allow you to find what your strengths, what your weaknesses, what your opportunity, and what your traits in order for you to excel in your life. By doing that, you need to chart, yearly chart for yourself. This is very complicated. How to chart? I just learn. But we have done the hard work for you. We will compile the report from 1 to 9.
So, if your yearly number is 7, there are 3 major points of this year. First, you are able to recover the mutual relationship with people, and it's good for you to cooperate with others to earn some income. For example, joining forces to create business, exchange customer, or cross-border corporates. Second, this year generate many ideas on money, but remember, action rather than desire. Set yourself a due date, plan and take action. You will get a good outcome. However, for the third point, you may make the adjustments for your plan frequently, but it's also a chance for you to demonstrate your charisma. Hence, the more courage you are, the bigger the surprise you will get. Apart from that, let's take a look to the pie chart. So in this year, you are mainly focusing on will, concentration, mental, which are 25% respectively, and is followed by networking and communication, which are 13 and 12%. So if your yearly number is 8, this year your emotion will be easily affected by the previous year. Only by making up your minds can stabilize your emotions, otherwise it will be very difficult to stabilize. Hence, you must look for a direction, then only you can have your feet on the ground. However, it doesn't mean that you are alone. You need like-minded partner to speed out your progress. But remember to pick the partner carefully so that you will be more successful in this year. Also, partner won't fall from the crowd. You need to look for the partners and convince them. By having good communication with the partner, it can help you to solve many problems. If you look at the pie chart, this year you are more focusing on will, goal, communication, which are 25% respectively, and is followed by execution and mental, which are 13% and 12%. If your yearly number is 9, both money and desire grow rapidly this year. However, money comes and goes easily this year. You need to control your desire well for making a rational decision. In the first half year, it's suitable for you to strengthen your current businesses. For the second half year, it's good for you to earn some income. This whole year is suitable for you to make some money, but be careful, it's also very easy for you to lose money too. Lastly, you are focusing on status and power this year. You dislike to be challenged and controlled by the others, but be alert, this kind of dislike may lead you to lose control of yourself. If you look at the pie chart, this year you are mainly focusing on will, which is 62%, and is followed by equity and chance, which are 25% and 13%. The year of Tiger is coming soon. If you want to know more about yourself in this year, don't hesitate to subscribe this numerology course. We will provide the link in the description box. What are you waiting for? Click into the link and it will direct you to the Udemy page. Then you can start exploring yourself while learning this course.